Hi, welcome back to Brain Tech with a new video. Today's video topic is blockchain. Without further ado, let's go. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of the transaction is added to every participant's ledger. The decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as distributed ledger technology. Blockchain technology accounts for the issues of security and trust in several ways. First, new blocks are always stored linearly and chronologically. That is, they are always added to the end of the blockchain. If you take a look at Bitcoin's blockchain, you'll see that each block has a position on the chain, called a height. As of November 2020, the block's height had reached 656,197 blocks so far. There have been many attempts to create digital money in the past, but they have always failed. Bitcoin was designed to solve this problem by using a specific type of database called a blockchain. Most normal databases, such as an SQL database, have someone in charge who can change the entries. Blockchain is different because nobody is in charge, it's run by the people who use it. What's more, Bitcoins can't be faked, hacked, or double spent, so people that own this money can trust that it has some value.